Okay, so it's quite classic. One of the reasons why we have to do virtual property tour, because we are not sure whether actually all the developers got different saliva and laser swab. So how do you do your saliva? Just
swab your mouth.
Or the cheek.
or the cheek?
Just the cheek. Okay.
Okay, so the funniest thing is if you actually test positive.
Then all will run from you.
Wow.
So, it's all
Okay, so the main reason why we're doing the ART test, right, is because we are going to view
Mulberry Grove.
Yeah, which is
By MQDC.
MQDC.
And Forest Hill.
So I break this, right?
Don't need lah. Oh yeah, I thought that.
Oh, so stressed. Everyone looking at my ART.
You want to be
Okay. Put in order. Okay. Yeah, so we're all COVID negative.
your first one.
So imagine if let's say we had like a whole group of buyers, right? Filming actually. So if we have a whole group of buyers, then everyone has to do an ART test, and then some buyers may not want to do.
Okay,
so that I actually have clients who emailed and send me a message through WhatsApp saying, why is it that our tour is virtual? Yeah, but this is the reason. Okay, coming over. Okay, we're done.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.